today we are going to analyze what is the function of the intercooler in a typical diesel engine turbocharger. This is the turbocharger. You can see this is the cold side where the air filter is located. The air is suctioned here to the filter at atmospheric pressure. After that, the air is fully compressed and fully compressed in the intercooler, and after that into the intake manifold. Let me refresh something. This is the cold side. The temperature in this area is ambient temperature, and in the other side is the hot side. The hot side, the turbine in the hot side, receives the speed of the exhaust gases. The turbine in the hot side is spinning around 15,000 RPMs, and the excess of exhaust gases goes out here. If you see here in this elbow of the exhaust, you see the small holes over there around. In the middle you have gases, and around this area you have salt water. This is the point where the salt water is mixed with gases, and the hose of the exhaust pipe is clamped here with a couple of hose clamps. If the hose clamp is burned, it's because you have a problem of a lack of raw water. The flow of raw water is not sufficient, and the temperature in this metal increase and burn the hose. Okay, my friends, this is the turbocharger, and we are going to analyze the air enter over there. The air is compressed, high pressure, and high temperature, and after that, the air enter in the intercooler. This is the intercooler. The intercooler have small cavities for the flow of the air, and around those cavities pass the salt water. The salt water enter over there and continue the salt water in the bottom. You see, okay? Reducing the temperature of the air. The salt water enter, raw water pump, enter in the first two heat exchanger. One heat exchanger for oil cooler, and other heat exchanger for fuel cooler. And the raw water pass for both of them. Pass in the middle for both of them, cool the oil, the motor oil, and cool the fuel. And of course, the salt water continue in the second side. All right? The salt water continue and enter in the heat exchanger. Pass through the heat exchanger and reduce the temperature of the air. And now the air with low temperature, high pressure, enter in the combustion chamber. If the air enter with ultra high temperature, that's not good because produce vapor lock in the combustion chamber. The air compressed enter in the intake manifold. Exactly, that's the intake manifold. That's the intake manifold, and the air enter over there. In front of each pore, intake pore, are located the intake valves on the head. Intake valves on the head. This is the intake manifold. The intake manifold, and one of these is the MAP manifold absolute pressure, and the other one is the MAF. It's a mass air flow sensor. Both of them are located here at the intake manifold.